na me unu system no ma yɛtra awia poa ama enema endobai na ɛhyɛ enwura na ɛhyɛ after that na me say enwura na ahyɛ ti sɛnea tete me ɔpɛ sipa na enwura no yɛ na me say eja edi akyiri wow, we use gas, we use cylinder. Be very careful. Because we see the system now dry. Fire outbreak. System no, I dry. Or she baba also air conditioning. Amen. And from
The fire outbreak at the Kantamato market in Accra Tuesday morning has destroyed goods and shops worth thousands of Ghana cedis. The cause of the fire is immediately not known. More than 200 shops have been gutted by the fire. According to eyewitnesses, the Ghana National Fire Service were unable to stop the blaze after they ran out of water. Zoe Anita Ode was there and has more in the following report.
So at about 4 a.m., there was a fire outbreak at Kantamato. And according to some traders, most of their shops, their materials, their properties, and everything they sell. I have an eyewitness who saw the incident, and I want him to narrate what happened, what he saw. Hello.
Hello, madam.
About your house?
If I'm not fully.
Then I'll bet me I can't ejano. Then they see.
I'm about around 4:15 more. I'm not going to say. Ijabia te ihemo sale we so abesa we asra gabe to di to dey gani dwane ne wu sama for free start o say jana shi ba na mo for person mu pe ba mu nya kwan nte won wu say script na be bie gate na ma for start dwane a ya start bo ma yi no ma no te yi no ma na okay do a chance of fast for us mo ba mbo do mo so no mo kan to mo sa ko ba mba no mo de ka be to as a trader ba ya mo start so mo dum jano.
I also have some traders here, and I'd like to talk to some of the traders who have counted their losses. Hello, ma.
Ma'am, but you friend me Grace, me walk Kantamato, Baba and Co, Jalia Patum, me yemeni na she, me bag, me pabwa, me yemeni na she, ya ba e jano, e jademu tata, yenya kwa kura nye de, MP e jenimu.